So good morning kids. As we have started a new chapter, effect of British rule over Indian people, and this is our third chapter. So today we are going to study about the tax system, how the Britishers were taking tax from Indians. So first we will study about agricultural tax. There were two types of agricultural tax during British period. They were Rayatwari system and Mehelwari system. So today we are going to study about these two system. What is this Rayatwari system? According to this system, Rayatwari system, a peasant, a farmer has to pay the tax after deducting his expenditure. Yearly tax. A farmer have to pay the tax after deducting his expenditure. The amount of tax was fixed. He has to pay that amount of tax whether his income was high or low. He has to pay it. That was compulsory. If not, he may be sentenced to jail. This is Rayatwari system. The second system is Mehelwari system. In Mehelwari system, a community, or you can say a particular area, was considered as a Mahal. It may be one village, two village or three village. It was considered as a Mahal, and the payment of tax was the joint responsibility of the people of the Mahal. It may be one village, two or three village. The system was same. After deducting their expenditure, they have to pay a fixed amount of tax to the British government, and that was compulsory. Although government was not helping them in any way, government was not helping the farmers in any way, but they have to pay their taxes, or else they can be sentenced to jail. The tax collection in Chhattisgarh was carried on according to a different system. Previously it was taken according to the Rayatwari and Mehelwari system, but then they introduced a new tax collecting system in which they have appointed particular person as tax collectors, and they have named them Gautias. Gautias were the new tax collectors. After a few years, Gautias were replaced. Patels were replaced by Gautias. Previously, the tax was collected by Patels. They were the chief of the area, and then the Patels were replaced by the Gautias. So in Chhattisgarh, the collection of tax was done through particular people who were given some post for the collection of tax. Now we will discuss about the effect of British rule over craftsmen, or you can say craft and art, or art and craft. As we have discussed earlier, during the earlier times when India was ruled by kings, the art and craft, means you can say the artists were given the utmost importance. King used to buy the craft work, and he used to give a hefty sum of amount to the artist. But as the kingdom began to decline and it was taken over by Britishers, they don't have any interest in this art and craft. So what they did, they just avoided it. They did not want to purchase their crafts. They wanted to eliminate it from the society, because they want to introduce the British culture. They want to introduce the British art. They want to introduce their own crafts, which was done through modern machinery. So what they did, they just tried to finish up the market of this art and craft trade, and they succeeded. And then they introduced the machine made goods which were cheaper and easily gettable. You don't have to wait for them, and that resulted in ending up the market for artists in India. So the next point is that, so children, today we have studied Rayatwari system, Meherwari system, revenue in Chhattisgarh, and effect on artist and craftsmanship. In the next chapter we are going to study about effect on forest and forest people, effect of British rule on forest and forest people. Yes, the British rule also affected the forest and their people. In what way, that we are going to study in the next class. You have to go through this video very carefully, and if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can call me, or you can message me on my personal number. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.